very helpful. It was very interactive, and it was more like a brainstorming session because there were many new terms. Even we got to know, like I learned about ODD and the CD. I had no idea about it, so I'm pretty sure that I'll implement it in my school activities and try getting to know them more. So thank you so much. It was a wonderful session.
Hello, ma'am. Thank you so much. Actually, thanks to you, tons and tons of thanks because my voice and my opinions, I always kept it to myself, but you really gave me a space to voice out my opinion. Thanks to you for that. It's a big thing for me. It means a lot.
You're
The web
welcome.
session was wonderful. You have actually opened a new area of learning for all of us. ODT and CD were really new for us, and we would really keep it in the back of our mind, especially when we are approaching every student in a class. In fact,
Mhm.
even as a mother, I think I'll keep it when I'm taking care of my children. The ideas put forward by all my fellow classmates, my batchmates, thanks to you all because you're all wonderful teachers already. And thanks to you, ma'am. It was a wonderful session.
Yes, of course. Like every workshop, it's been so interactive and same as with this session as well. And the best part is you get to know so many people who are already handling such children and their feedbacks, their experience, which also gives me a lot of knowledge. And later on, which I have recorded in my memory as well in my notes, which I would use. And thank you so much for such an interactive session. And as you said, 3 hours is not enough. We can keep on going, discussing and having our thoughts shared. But it was very good. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, this session was wonderful. I attended quite a few webinars, but this was, the terms used in this webinar was totally new for me.
Mhm.
And now I'm sure that I'm going to look for students whom I thought was naughty, not listening, adamant. Now I have a different term to look for in them.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for that. And big thanks for starting the session on time, keeping it interesting all the way, and ending it on time, managing your time and the session so well. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Initial discussions, I enjoyed the remaining portions and two breakout rooms, ma'am. The session
Right.
was wonderful, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Initial discussions, I enjoyed the remaining portions and two breakout rooms, ma'am. The session
Right.
was wonderful, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Initial discussions, I enjoyed the remaining portions and two breakout rooms, ma'am. The session
Right.
was wonderful, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Initial discussions, I enjoyed the remaining portions and two breakout rooms, ma'am. The session
Right.
was wonderful, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Session was great, ma'am. I learned so many new things. Actually, all things are new only for me. I'm not a teacher, I'm a mother. Just I want to start my journey from here. So this
Mhm.
is the first session webinar. And thank you so much for giving your time. And the things you taught me are very useful for me. Thank you so much, ma'am. The session was great, ma'am. I learned so many new things. Actually, all things are new only for me. I'm not a teacher, I'm a mother. Just I want to start my journey from here. So this
Mhm.
is the first session webinar.
First of all, thank you so much, Sudeshna ma'am. It was very interactive session, and the breakout room and group discussion was the best part in this. I have actually uh, very much enjoyed and also got enlightened uh, about the views, and it was very helpful for me as a teacher. So looking forward to for such sessions more from ACT. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, and thank you everyone. First of all, thank you so much, Sudeshna ma'am. It was
Yeah, it
very
was awesome actually. I mean, the way you are pulling things out from people is beautiful, and how calm and composed you are. So I think all of us get to that same thing. It generally happens, no, it's the environment that the person who leads bring. So I
Mhm.
think the environment that you brought in today was excellent. It was very good. I mean, though it
Thank
was
you,
that
ma'am.
1 hour, immediately the way you welcomed me, I didn't feel that I'm in some a place. No, it is like I felt good, I felt welcoming, and I said, okay, come on, Anu, you can get into it. Actually, I thought the time was 5. It was my mistake. I thought it was 5, but I planned it in such a way that sharp at 5 I
Mm-hmm.
should join, and
Mm-hmm.
joined in at 5 too. But I think I missed a major chunk. I'm feeling bad. Oh God, what I've missed. What is ODD? What is CD? I'm thinking. And I think such wonderful people. I think the group has also been very good. So yes, I have
Yes.
missed something.